Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions. This is my newest Airbnb rental. Check it out in the background. I'm in Northwest Edmonton, and this is it. So there's an empty basement apartment, so I have the place to myself. That's the entrance there. This is the entrance to the house. Come on in. So let me start in this direction. Nice little breakfast nook. Living room with a comfy couch. Big screen TV. I have a little treat set up everywhere for guests. In the Christmas spirit, nice dining room. In the backyard, this is the hot tub. And the owner has a shed out back. That's his man cave. He has a sports car in there. A Pontiac Solstice. A nice car. And he has a man cave set up in there. Big screen TV, PlayStation, L-shaped couch where he can relax with his friends and hang out. He's in his mid-30s and he looks like a real estate agent. And yeah, he's doing really well for himself. So he has a man cave set up back there that I don't have access to, but he's shown me. But yeah, huge hot tub. This little swing here. I love how it's snowing right now. I'm gonna go into the hot tub later in the snow. Nice little setup here. The kitchen. A few things in the fridge. Big freezer in the bottom. Pantry with a few things. Soups, cereals. Main bathroom. A nice washer and dryer. That's the entrance to the basement apartment. Decent closet space. I love these stairs. They're so plush and comfortable. The room with the door open is my room. I'll show you that last. But we'll start in the bathroom here. The main upstairs bathroom. It's a full bath. This is my guest bedroom. Decent size, decent bed. This is another guest bedroom. Check this closet out. The bottom of it is kind of unique. Like, what the heck is that? Looks like it should open up, but it's solid. Must be something mechanical in there. Pipes or something, but yeah, it's a decent closet. But yeah, I kind of like that. You could sit on it. You could actually put a door in there, hide stuff in there, whatever. But yeah, cute with the little dinosaur stuff. The dinosaur theme. Okay, so That's the upstairs here. Now onto my bedroom. Oh, wait a sec, I haven't shown you this. Closet with all the linens, the towels, anything I need. Onto my bedroom. It was a little bit chilly last night, so instead of turning up the heat, I just threw an extra blanket on my bed. Decent sized closet. That's the backyard and the hot tub. This is very unique. The steps up to the ensuite. And a little bit of a walk-in closet here. Good space. Attic. Hey YouTube world, Trev here. Monthly missions. Okay, then check out this ensuite washroom with a jet tub. That's the on and off button right there for the jet tub. I like it. There's the corner of the hot tub. Neighbors working on stuff. Snowing out. I love it. I'm looking forward to jumping in the hot tub later in the snow. But look at this. This almost looks like a bench that you can sit down and talk to somebody. But look how fragile it is. It's obviously for laptops. But you can flip that up and put some flowers on there or whatever. But with it down like that, it looks like you could sit on it. Well, I would absolutely crush that thing. But yeah, this is it. Let me turn off the lights. That's it. My newest Northwest Edmonton Airbnb. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Yeah, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. But yeah, they all have these lights on it, like these unusual, I guess long-lasting LED lights. I don't know how you'd ever open up those blinds. That's way far up there. But yeah, there you have it. My newest Airbnb tour. Hope everybody's doing great. See y'all again. Hopefully you subscribe. If you're new here, new to my channel, check out the rest of my videos and hit that subscribe button and maybe even that like button. Thanks, you guys. Take care.